Good morning everyone and welcome to today's video. This is another Look Fantastic haul that contains a super free gift I got, the Estee Lauder Complexion kit. I can't wait to show you. Grab yourself a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's see what I've bought. Okay, so first things first, absolute favorite is foundation. Now, I don't normally buy 2 foundations in a row, but I have been really wanting to try. Okay, I had a sample of this I think 2 years ago in the shade Gobi. And I'm not a fan of Nars foundations, typically. What's the one that everyone likes? Nars Sheer Glow. It didn't work for me, meaning that it just looks chalky on the skin. I have such an issue with certain foundations, and Nars is one of them. The colours and the way that they sit on the skin. But I thought, so many people rave about this and so many people are using it. Maybe I'm using it the wrong way. I like the fact that it doesn't have an SPF, so it's good for photography. I thought I'm just gonna get it in the shade that I think I am, which is Fiji. And normally this foundation is about £39, but Look Fantastic was having a 20% sale, I think. And then I got on top of that something. So I got this for £27, hence why I bought 2 foundations, because they're normally 35, so I thought I'm gonna get them. Right, I wore this yesterday. I'm not wearing it today. I wore this yesterday and I put it on with a brush. And at first it looks quite good, but it just confirmed what I already know, is that it goes, you know when you've got oily skin and your skin is shiny but chalky and dry at the same time? This is what it does. I think you have to have perfect skin to wear this. No uneven texture, no large pores, because it sat lovely on this part of my face, but the center part of my face, it broke away on my chin, it disappeared off my nose, it just looked like a chalky mess. It just reminds me of foundation when I was at school and it wouldn't sit on my skin properly. I mean, the color's perfect. It looks good from a distance, but I can notice that the lasting power isn't great. It might be great for just, you know, a night of photography or whatever. And maybe I have to try it some different ways. I am going to try it another way. I wore it over my SPF, which I normally do, my Helio Care. So I did my regular skincare. I didn't change anything up. But I think it's just chalky. I don't know how to explain it. So the other foundation I bought, Doublewear, I'm wearing this today in my shade, which is 2W1 Dawn. I had the other one because it was darker. It was this one here, which is 3-in-1 ivory beige. And you know when one of your favorite influencers wears a foundation, you want to copy it. It's too dark, and it's fine when it's mixed with Bare Pro, but on its own, I don't like that it's too dark. This has always been my favorite shade. Again, every foundation shade I pick is my own pick. If I go to counter, they always pick the wrong shade. So I always go with my own mind. Anyway, this was £27. I thought I'm going to pick it up. I haven't worn my original shade for years. I'm going to get it. And my God, it's amazing. Like, this is just the perfect shade for me. Perfect. It looks wonderful. Now they've got natural sunlight coming through the window. I've not got any ring light on, anything. Now, let me just tell you the superiority of Doublewear, right? This goes on so smoothly, okay? It lasts throughout the day. It never comes off. I never get patches off my chin, off my nose, off my forehead. It's getting a bit dark now. Shall I put the ring light on? This is how it looks like with the ring light. Okay, you can see with ring light. And because the sun keeps going in and out, and I don't want to. Do you see? Do you see what I mean? Well, I want you to get the most naturalness of it. But yeah, it doesn't ever get chalky. And I have the same problem with Bare Pro. It can get almost dusty, chalky, dry, even though I'm oily. And it drives me nuts. And you touch your face and you get this kind of, you know? And this does the same thing. Doublewear never does that. It's smooth as silk. It just is beautiful. It doesn't crease in any lines. It doesn't, you know, stick anywhere. It just looks frigging beautiful. And I'm so glad I got this color because it's just perfect. It really is the perfect color for me. Oh, I'm going to put the ring light on again. Sorry, guys. Oh, no, maybe it's fine. Oh, I don't know. The sun is in and out. Yeah, so I'm so glad I got this. But when I was checking out, this is where this comes in. I didn't know, but you get this Estee Lauder Complexion kit. So if you buy a Doublewear, you get this for free. And this is worth £30 or something. Anyway, I didn't really know what was in it. And then I opened it up and look what's in it. A full size, perfectly clean, multi-action foaming cleanser, purifying mask. I've always wanted to try this, and you know I love a face wash. So I got this and used it last night, love it. And then I got samples in here. So I got the Estee Lauder, the Smoother Primer, which I used this morning. Oh my God, this is lovely. But I don't know if it was because of my sunscreen or I used too much, but it was pilling a little bit. It's kind of got that silicone-y soft feel. So I think I'm going to try it without my SPF and see how that works, or just use a smaller amount, because, you know, I did go hard on that. So, but it has smoothed out my skin really nicely. Love that. Then I got a sample of the Advanced Night Repair Serum. I used this last night. I've used this for years. I love it. It's always so expensive. Wait till it's half price. You can normally get it. This is what I love about shopping online. Like, if you go into store, you're always going to pay full price. But if you go online, you'll always get 15% off, 20% off. Just put it in your basket and wait. And then you get an email going, 20% off. Do you want the product? You're like, yeah, for that, yes. So that's the best time to get it. And then the last product in here is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Serum, which I used as well. Gorgeous. I love Estee Lauder. Everything I've used from Estee Lauder has worked beautifully. And that's what I like about this brand. You know what I mean? It just, everything works, you know? You don't have to mold around with it and play around with it. Oh, this isn't going to work, that's not going to... It works. Doublewear frigging works, and it's amazing, and I love it. So, oh. Okay, next thing I bought was, I wanted to replace my Clinique Take the Balm off. Take the day off. Because for some reason, and I've had this with the Emma Hardy now as well, it's irritating my eyes. Like, it's just getting in my eyes, and I don't know whether it's because I'm opening my eyes, I don't know. So I wanted to try something different, and I've heard a lot about this Rosa Centifolia #1 Purity Cleansing Balm. Purifies and removes makeup. This is supposed to be really good for sensitive skin. And I used this last night to take my makeup off, and it's beautiful. It's exactly like all the other cleansing balms. It's a thick balm. It smells of rose, which is gorgeous. So it's got a really soothing, calming effect. And it's gentle, and it even removes waterproof makeup. So, I mean, you know. But what you do with this is you squeeze them in your hand, put it all over your face with makeup on dry, rub in, massage in, then you wet your hands. And this is what I love about this kind of balm. It goes milky, and so you milk it around, milk, and then do your eyes, and then you wipe it off. It's beautiful. Skin is left super, super clean, comfortable. And then I washed off with this, and I was like, my face was like clean. And that is, if you've got oily skin, that is like, you need that clean feeling. Next thing I bought was, I've been desperate for this. This is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Perfection Face Brush. Again, this was on sale for £28, I think, and it's normally a lot more than that, and I've been wanting it for ages. Look at that. And it's got a little brush on the end there. Oh, gorgeous. I've not used it yet. I'm going to try it with my foundation. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Because it's quite good I've got the IT CC cream, so I thought, you know, I wanted to get the brush as well. And you know me, I'm a sucker. I'm like, well, it's on sale. It's on sale, I better get it. Because I'll get so annoyed if I go back and then it's not on sale anymore, and I could have got it for, you know. So love that. I think it's great for just if you want to be really quick with your makeup and just pop on quick. Lovely jubbly. And the last thing I bought is a shampoo. I picked up the Kérastase Densifique again. I've used this, I've had about 2 bottles of this, and I've used this before. It's got hyaluronic and glucopeptides, and it's a bodifying shampoo. hair that visibly lacks density. Because I finished my, oh God, I can't even think of the name. You know, the one that everybody buys that I talked about in my previous video. It's gone. Brain fog, major. No, it's not coming to me, but you know what I'm talking about, the subscription one. And to be fair, I can't be bothered to resubscribe. So I picked up this again and it smells beautiful. And I'm just, yeah, I used it the other day, you know, so we'll see how that goes. So, yes, that's my Look Fantastic haul. Oh, isn't it lovely? I love, and what's funny is everything came in 3 packages. I don't know if that's even funny. Why am I even saying that? But yeah, so there we have it. Lovely, love all my bits. Let me know what you'd like to see from me next. I've got a few projects coming up that I'm excited to film and share with you. And yeah, I can do a few chatty videos, whatever you fancy. Let me know, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.